Hi, to change date and time on your Google Pixel Watch free, firstly press this crown to open list of apps, and here scroll through this list to find settings. Now we need to go all the way down and find this last app, system, and here choose date and time. So to actually change it, we need to disable automatic date and time by tapping on the switcher like that. Then scroll a bit down, find this tab Set Date, select it, and manually choose Day by scrolling up or down like that. Then you can change Month, and then you can change Year, and tap this check mark to confirm. And this is the result. Then you can set time manually. So change hour, and then tap on minutes and change them as well if needed, and press this check mark to confirm. And additionally, you can set time zone manually, so disable automatic option, scroll down and set time zone, and then swipe right to confirm. Now let's test it. So yeah, everything is working. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.